Good morning all, this is Dr. Tomar here. Today is Saturday and we would be moving with general common lecture which would be for first year students, second year students and BCCA students. All of you know, my kids, that I experiment with students. I experiment with new words. Now, yesterday in first year class, I used the word newbie. Newbie means new learners, newcomers. I use this word because students should understand that they are newcomers. I love using new words for you and welcome all of you new learners. I welcome all new learners, that is first year students, to GS College of Commerce, Wardha. This is Dr. Tomar here, who always in the college teach compulsory English. Today I would be giving a general lecture which is common for everyone. First of all, I would like to thank all the students that you are watching me. It could be judged from the views which you have given me. Now today we would be moving with a common lecture, that is communication skills. I am sure lot of the students must have this concern regarding improving their communication skills. Everyone knows that communication is very important. It is a burning issue of today's time. Everyone needs that they should be a good communicator. They should be proactive communicator, right? This is true. Everyone wants to be on forefront and you should be. Why should you lag behind? But let me tell you one thing. आपके मन में या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ये वहम निकालना चाहती हूँ आपके मन से कि कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंग्लिश इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. गुड कम्युनिकेशन डज नॉट मीन दैट you know English very well, or knowing English does not mean that you're a good communicator. These two things are different. Sorry to say, but this is true. English is a language and communication एक कला है. Again I'll repeat, English एक भाषा है और communication करना एक कला है. These two things are different things. सीखने के बाद ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो बहुत अच्छे से communicate कर रहा है वो बहुत अच्छे से English बोलेगा ही. Let me give you an example for it. Suppose if I want to ask a pen to someone, मुझे पेन चाहिए किसी से, but I don't want to use words for that. I'll not use words. I'm asking pen without using words. Second way of asking pen कि मुझे पेन चाहिए, give me. So the situations are different. There is variation in asking for pen. There is variation in communicating. Let me come to the point which I want to explain to you. That communication is an art which can be developed with time. And English is a language which can be learnt. You may have seen that many people use flowery language while speaking. Flowery language use करते हैं एक दूसरे को impress करने के लिए. That doesn't mean that they are good communicator. Maybe they may be good in English, but not necessarily they are good in communicator. So I feel personally that you should be vicarious. Again I'll repeat, new word for you of today. You should be vicarious learner. It means you should have the ability to develop yourself by observing others. दूसरों को देख के हमने सीखना चाहिए. ये एक ability जो है वो हमने खुद develop करना चाहिए अपने आप में. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you, before, जैसे हमने कहा कि communication एक अलग part है, English एक अलग part है. You should become a good communicator in your own mother tongue. आप communicator अपने ही mother tongue में अच्छे होने चाहिए. उसके लिए आपने आई कांटेक्ट अच्छा होना चाहिए, बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छी होनी चाहिए, वॉइस टोनैलिटी होनी चाहिए और प्रोएक्टिव कम्युनिकेटर होना चाहिए. ये अगर आप अपने मदर टंग में डेवलप कर लोगे तो ये स्किल्स है विच यू आर गोइंग टू डेवलप. और अगर ये स्किल्स अगर आपने डेवलप कर ली अपने आप में, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन बिकम अ गुड कम्युनिकेटर इन एनी ऑफ द लैंग्वेज। बिकॉज इंग्लिश अगर आप कम्युनिकेशन के स्किल सीख लिए तो ऑटोमेटिकली फिर आपको क्या सीखना है, सिर्फ यू हैव टू लर्न ओनली लैंग्वेज। नाउ लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज इज जस्ट एज सिंपल, एनी लैंग्वेज यू कैन लर्न वेरी इजीली। नाउ फॉर लर्निंग इन इंग्लिश you can keep a small journal, you can keep a notebook where you can put down the new words of every day. आप नए words every day, whichever you listen, you can put it down, you can write it down, and you can use those words in your daily life. You can learn English in this way. It is necessary, you have to train yourself, क्या कह सकते हैं कि you have to train your brain on multiple fronts. For example, you have to read, you have to become a voracious reader. Again, new word, voracious reader आपको बनना है. You have to read a lot, read newspaper, journals, articles, read different things. Now, do you write on daily basis? No. आप academic या जो notes रहते हैं उसको लिखने के अलावा you don't write anything. You have to write on daily basis. Now, you have to watch different people. आपने देखा होगा चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो वॉच कार्टून सीरीज सुनते हैं। वो पेपा पिग करके जो कार्टून सीरीज है जो बच्चे सुनते हैं, दे आर लर्निंग ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट और कम्युनिकेशन, ब्रिटिश कम्युनिकेशन वो लर्न कर रहे हैं। सो व्हेन अ किड और व्हेन चिल्ड्रंस कैन डू इट, व्हाई कांट वी एल्डर्स? व्हाई कांट वी एल्डर्स? नाउ यू शुड लिसन टू न्यू एंकर्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्री सुनने चाहिए। देन यू कैन सी नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज जो रहती है, यू शुड लिसन टू नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज आपने सुननी चाहिए। डेफिनेटली ब्रेन हैज सो मेनी वेज टू रिसीव इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत सारे माध्यम हैं जिससे ब्रेन रिसीव करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन। कम्युनिकेशन इज एन आर्ट, एज मसल्स कैन बी डेवलप्ड इन द सिमिलर वे कम्युनिकेशन कैन बी डेवलप्ड। Communication, I would like to say that communication work for those who work with it, or communication works for those who work at it. I mean to say, if you want to improve your communication, you have to move with it. आपको communication के साथ चलना होगा, you have to develop it. आपको law पता होगे, law of paying the price. If you know law of paying the price, which is given by Jack Canfield, जिन्होंने कहा है, उनका कहना है, he says that if you want to learn anything, you have to pay a price for that. If you want to watch a movie, you have to pay a price for that. If you want a long drive in a car, you have to pay a price. That means I want to say any quality thing needs a price to be paid. Now the price which has to be paid can be in any form. Let me take an example for you. आप सभी ने जिम देखा होगा. Even I have visited gym. Even I have seen people visiting gym. I'll cite an example to you. एक जिम में हमने एक बहुत ही hefty people को, rich people, एक व्यक्ति को देखा है, वो रोज जिम आते थे. He had 2 bodyguards along with him. The bodyguards were always along with him. They carried, one bodyguard carried the towel, another bodyguard carried the protein shake. ये सभी उनके पीछे घूमते थे और सभी चीज़ें कैरी करते थे. But the thing which is necessary, or which I want to tell you, कि ये सब कैरी करने के बाद भी पुशअप तो अपने को ही लगाना है. Who is going to do push-up for you in a gym? Nobody. A bodyguard cannot help you in that sense. You have to push up for yourself. कहने का मतलब you have to give your own efforts. Nobody is going to put efforts for you. The efforts are your own. If efforts can be in any form, efforts you have to give your own time. You have to work hard. Then you have to listen to role models. You should have someone as a role model for you. Now you should observe how a person is influencing the crowd. सभी भाषण देते हैं, but there is someone who influences the crowd, जो crowd को capture करता है. Now, after getting your degree, you also would be working somewhere else. It might happen that if you are a good communicator, you would be liked by everyone. But आपसे अगर कोई अच्छा होगा और अगर वो लीड लेता है, अगर आपका ही फ्रेंड आपके साथ अपॉइंटेड है और वो लीड लेता है, that means he is having something which you don't have. He is having the skills which you should also have it. So I would, पर हम क्या कह देते? He is lucky. वो born lucky है, उसको हमेशा अच्छा मिलता है. This is not true. He is having some skills which you don't have it. Remove this mental block of yours. Nobody is born as a good communicator. You have to develop your communication. Raise your hand every time whenever you are nervous. आपने देखा होगा जब टीचर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, क्वेश्चन जैसे ही पूछते हैं, some of the kids या children क्या करते हैं? बिल्कुल मुंडी नीचे कर लेते हैं और कई इधर उधर देखने लगते हैं. Why they do this in this way? They feel that the teacher should not ask any question to them. But your hand should always be up. Raise your hand. I'll tell you my example. I had a madam which she used to teach, David madam. वो हमेशा गलतियाँ निकालते थे. वो हमेशा कहते थे कि हमने सामने आना चाहिए. वो क्वेश्चन पूछते थे, क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद अगर इतना छोटा सा जो क्वेश्चन सभी को आता था और अपने को नहीं आता था, वो क्लास में इंसल्ट भी करते थे. For the first time I will tell my example. When I raised my hand, my brain sat down. जैसे ही हमने क्वेश्चन पूछा, हम क्वेश्चन जो पूछना था, जैसे ही रेज अप हैंड किया और क्वेश्चन पूछना था, वो क्वेश्चन भूल गए. I forgot. पर I never gave up. Second time also I asked question. In this way I got the habit of getting confidence. Talk to people, talk to your elders, be comfortable with your authority, be comfortable with elders, senior citizens. उनसे इंटरेक्ट कीजिए, उनसे बातें कीजिए, उनसे कुछ शेयर अप कीजिए. जिनसे आप डरते हैं कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए, उनसे talk to them. Put yourself in uncomfortable situations. ऐसे situations में खुद को put up करो जिन situations से आप डरते हो. Because if you are going to have a cozy, comfortable situation every time, you are not going to face that difficulty. And if you are not going to face a difficulty, you are not going to lead ahead. You'll never emerge victorious. If you want to emerge victorious, you have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations. खुदा ने उस शख्स के हालत कभी नहीं बदले ना हो जिसे ख्याल खुद अपनी हालत को बदलने का. यह हमेशा देखा गया है. खुदा भी उन लोगों की ही मदद करते जो खुद को अपने आप को बदलना चाहते हैं. If you want to change yourself, come ahead, come forward, put your own efforts. And if you are going to put your own efforts, definitely a day is going to come when you are going to change yourself. And if you change yourself, you can change your surrounding. Do this. Come ahead. Bring a change. It is you who can bring a change. Thank you, everybody. Saturday was a day where the lecture is a general one. From Monday, we are going to start with the syllabus. I would be starting with the syllabus, that is Invictus. We would be having a poem on the board. I would be writing the meanings and then we are going to lead ahead. Thank you, everybody.